Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tori and I make travel and adventure videos. Today we're in Adlia where we are going to go to Pearl Antiques to meet a craftsman that turns antique items that are found here in Bahrain and turns them into functional art. And of course, since we are in Adlia, we had to say hi to our friend Abdul.
Thank you very much, my dear.
All right, I'll see you in a bit.
Happy New Year.
While in Adlia, you will see Oasis carpet with our friend Abdul. Right next to it, you will have Wadi Al Siraj, which Abdul was telling us that it's actually the first shawarma shop in Bahrain, and that is why this whole area is called Shawarma Alley. It was the first area that had shawarma. And then we are going to Pearl of Islands Antiques right there. So everything's super close. Let's go. And here we go. Hello, I'm back.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. I'm here to look at your doors today.
Please, feel free.
Sajid, how long have you been working here?
Me, I owe this shop from 2014, but I have been in Bahrain from 2008. So we have been in woodwork from long time. So our mostly customers are from like everywhere, but most customers in Bahrain are from US. And we have some cool doors, as you can see from the back of it here. So these are all older doors from different parts of the world, but mostly from the Arabic countries, because people want something here they can relate to the Arab when they go back to their home. So they can say that we have something from Arab. So these are all doors. Options are unlimited. There are many options we can do with these doors. Like mostly we make them into cabinets, like for the cloths, or like for lacquer cabinets, or you can make them into dining room tables, coffee room tables. Even some pieces we have used it as a headboard in beds like king size or queen size bed. So here's the concept of a door. What we do is we keep everything there. We don't mess up with the reality and the authenticity of the door. What we use is just this piece of the frame. We had a frame so that we can hold the glass on top of it. It is actually tempered glass. We don't want to risk our customers. So we put a tempered glass and the legs as per your size. Then apart from that, we make many other things. You can please come here and you can check it out. Like here are some more pieces, like this is a camel cot. So these are two pieces of the camel cot.
Oh my gosh.
And it's into a bookshelf. So
I had no idea.
I had a customer a few days before. So we discuss about it and we make it into a lacquer cabinet. As you can see here for the glasses, here for the bottles. And this is super heavy because these are real authentic old pieces. So these are a couple of ideas that I am showing you. We got some carved panels here, newly done, newly carved, but the designs are called a Mashrabiya design. Mashrabiya design are mostly like Arabic cultural things. So Morocco, Lebanon, and many other countries, even in Arab. As you can go to the mosques or you see the heritage buildings here, you'll find something like this. It is related to Arab. So we make the designers, those are from the Arab. As I said earlier, like people who come to the Bahrain, they want to take something. At the end of the day, they have to move back to their home countries. So they want to take something that is related to Arab. So we keep like this one. Have a look on this frame. So this is one of older frame, as you can see with the carving. So the details and everything. So the design, here we go again. It's called a mihrab design, as you can see in many historical heritage buildings. So it relates to Arab as well. So the carving also is related to Arab, as you can see the carving and everything. And the one you loved, the door, let's show the people.
I like that too. I'm deciding between getting something like that and this, and something that's unique about this carving is that you guys did it in shop, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And it took about a week?
Yes, like this kind of piece, more than 15 days. It is a lot of work. It looks just as simple, but it's a lot of work.
Oh, it doesn't look simple to me. I do not think it looks simple.
So here is the door which you liked. Karajali design, it is one of the authentic design, Arabic Asian cultural thing. And as per you can see the carving, it's more than 100 years old door. Like you can see the authenticity yourself. As you go through the carving, you will see the carving is ruined because it has seen many seasons. And once they demolish the house or they get it out of the building, it has been there for a long time. So the carving is ruined. They have to wash it with chemicals to get the dust and many things out of it. Like with the years, it has got into. So the carving gets a little bit. You can see it's bruised, and this makes it authentic. As you can see, new pieces. You will see the carving. You can feel it. You will see nothing is damaged. So it is actually a new carving. But when you look at the older carving, you will see there is no symmetry. Some of the carving is ruined, some is look like new because it has seen many seasons. And as you know, the Arab is harsh as per the weather. So it has seen many like humid seasons and humid years.
There are so many incredible doors here, colorful ones like this one, and then there are also
The one into a table.
Oh yeah, I'll show them the table as well. This is an example of a table that they have recently been working on. It's just missing the tempered glass at the top, but it is really stunning. It has, what kind of metal is this right here?
This is brass.
So they have brass with different
This is
camels.
These are camels. This is brass, and this is cast iron, and it's wood itself.
This store is pretty special as well because it says Bahrain.
In Arabic, it's all Bahrain. Yeah.
I especially love this door. This is the oldest store they have in the shop, and it is extremely heavy.
Actually teak. That's why it's super heavy.
This store is incredible as well. Is this one from Bahrain?
No, I think it comes from Saudi.
Okay.
Red Sea area. This is all done by hand. No machine, nothing.
Is this a new one right here?
Yeah, it is new. It's Bahraini.
So after looking at a bunch of doors, I think I've found the one I want. And here she is. So this piece is going to be used as a desk, and one of the reasons I really liked it was how old it was. And I was told you can tell the age by how worn down these details are on the side. I mean, you can just see, and then even over here they have a crack that just kind of shows the age and the love that this store has received. All the metalwork right here, from the chain to the bolts to the backing right here, are cast iron, and the wood itself is imported wood, likely imported cedar, because here in Bahrain they don't grow their own wood, so it may have come from India, but definitely international wood. I am so excited. And this is the back of the door, which you would see from the inside. They even have some engravings right here.
This is where the magic begins.
And in the store, they even have their own little workshop in the back.
All right, ma'am. Take care. Have a
Okay,
good one.
bye.
Bye.
I also just wanted to document that it is raining right now. In my year and a half in Bahrain, I think I've experienced maybe 5 rainy days in total. It's about 65 degrees Fahrenheit here, and I am definitely taking it all in because it is usually 95 degrees or above. It's been about a week and a half since I've ordered my antique door table/desk, and today is the day it's going to be delivered. Over the last week and a half, I actually went and visited Muharraq to check out the antique doors myself. So here are some clips of the gorgeous doors that you can find just wandering the streets of Muharraq. Also, when I was visiting the National Museum, they had a couple antique doors on display, and they were dated back to the 19th century. also asked the super talented team over at Pearl Antiques to send me a video to include in this video of them actually creating the table. So here it is. Here are the legs. I got 2 different sets of legs, so I have a cart full of legs. Sorry for the mess.
No, it's all right. I know you are picking up.
The plexiglass, carried by the man who created this all for me. Thank you so much.
Chalo.
And here's the main piece. Oh my goodness.
Awesome.
Yeah, it looks so good. Some great cart driving as well.
Else I can remove it if you want.
No, I think I could probably get it later. So this is the final piece that's leaning against my wall right now for the movers that are coming in the next couple days. And you guys both did an amazing job. Thank you so
very
much.
I appreciate it. And it was nice having you in the shop and make this piece for you. And you have a blessed life ahead.
Thank you. I'll make sure to send you a photo of it all set up whenever I get it set up.
Please do so. Thank you.
All right.
Have a good day. Take
Bye.
care. Bye-bye.
I feel so fortunate to own this stunning door as a piece of art and a piece of history. Once I get it all set up, I'll make sure to post it on my Instagram story. So if you're not following me on Instagram, here's my handle, toriannsharpe. And with that, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to follow along with me on more adventures because we have the world to see. I'll see you next time. Bye.